It is December 20th, biggest snowstorm, and I guess they said 10 years in New York. And this is Vinny Doo, who's going out to do driveways. It's kind of bad, so we told him to give him $100 to do our driveway. Yeah, I know you usually get $10, $15, but he is my kid, so. But it is freezing. Today's Sunday. I don't know if we're going to get to church tonight. The car's kind of blocked in, but we'll see. Of course, Angela's sleeping. Man, that kid talks loud at 6 o'clock in the morning. It is beautiful, though, I have to say. For all you those who never seen snow in Florida, this is what it is. Yeah, it's nice for a couple hours. Hopefully the sun come out melted.
Hey guys, it's 2009. This is my own video. It's 2009. We're in a blizzard. We're dead. Last night was a disaster snow. As you can see, my truck is snowed in. It's December 20th, 2009, and my truck broke. I don't know what happened. It's giving a weird sound, won't go over 20 miles an hour. I destroyed the truck. From the damage on the side, to the engine, to the interior. I'm dying. Look at all this snow on this Highland Boulevard. I tried a snow shovel today, but we didn't do it. We let the guy do it. We gave him $20. Guys, look how high the snow is. You only know how high, cause look how deep the foots go. This is the highest. Oh my God. Snowstorm! Alright, I gotta kill this camera. I don't want to fall. Guys, look, the snow caved in. Look at all the snow. Jackie's hiding from the camera. This thing have zoom. That's my tranny Jack. There she is. Look, I got you. Now I'm gonna take pictures.
Okay, guys, this is like the 5th snowstorm we've had this year. It is February 10th, 2010, and this is pretty bad. And it's only around 4 o'clock. It's supposed to get worse tonight. And I'm actually taping this for July, and the hottest day I will be putting this video out on the snow. We're kind of stuck in. That's my car there. I kind of purposely parked it outside just in case, but I guess it really didn't matter. But this is pretty bad. We just heard that there was a 50-car pileup. I think it was in Baltimore, Virginia. I'm not sure. But I'm going to show you from other positions in the house what the snow looks like. Okay, this is actually from the second floor, the back of the house. That's actually my backyard, which is full of grass. Never got a chance to make a barbecue yet. But if you could see that little pile of snow there, that's actually a barbecue pit. And it's getting a little depressing. I'm really not a big fan of the snow. This is the front part of the house, second floor. That's a tree in front of our house. That's our sign. And this is definitely feeling like The Shining at the moment. But I believe there's another snowstorm coming on Wednesday or Friday. I'll be taping that. Okay, it is Friday, February 26th. This is our 7th snowstorm this year. It started yesterday, and I'm tired and sick of this. But you know what they say about the global warming, that every year it's going to get more hot in the summer and more cold in the winter. So guys, we got to stop using all that hairspray and not drive so much and pollute the air. Actually, I heard a very sad story today about the snow. A man was going home on a bus, about 50-something years old, and he figured he'd get off the bus and walk home through Central Park, and a tree fell and killed him. So, I know I shouldn't be laughing, but it's just ironic how at that moment the bus stopped, and he got off and went under the exact tree that killed him. So I guess when it's a person's time, it's a person's time. So God bless you guys. Here we got another storm coming next week, and I will be taping it. This is for July, for the hottest day, when you guys don't appreciate and say that it's too hot and you put the air on. Appreciate the heat, guys. God bless.